An odd sight just after midnight had concerned bystanders calling 911.
The initial report, an abduction in Omaha, but it was not quite what it seemed. Now, a longtime bail bonds company in Council Bluffs is the subject of a Douglas County investigation. Good evening, I'm Jennifer Griswold.
And I'm Craig DeGrelli. It comes after an employee grabbed the suspect off the streets in Omaha. Apparently, the guy came here to avoid capture. Reporter Joe Cadot is in Council Bluffs with more tonight. Joe?
Yeah, Craig, so 911 call was made at about 12:30 this morning. That's because people thought they saw an abduction. But what they were actually seeing was a bail bondsman from Gallagher Bail Bonds, as you can see behind me here in Council Bluffs. But they were in Nebraska trying to apprehend a suspect in Nebraska. It's the first time in 30 years that Gallagher Bail Bonds says they've gotten in trouble with the law. The issue? Nebraska doesn't recognize bail bondsmen. So when a Gallagher employee tried to catch a suspect in Omaha, it was an unlawful arrest.
Problem is, if they're here restraining somebody without the legal authority to do so, that's technically a crime in Nebraska. That's a false imprisonment in the second degree, which is a Class 1 misdemeanor. Tom
Gallagher says it puts them in a tough spot when their clients flee across the bridge.
They think that the river's a magic line. It's not a magic line to me. They miss court, they skip bond, they're bond skippers, and we will go find them.
Longtime Iowa bondsman Timothy Jansen says getting Omaha police to help them catch a suspect isn't always easy.
It is a challenge because of the fact that if Nebraska is going to be harboring the runners that go over to the state of Nebraska to hide out from a bail bondsman, there's money involved.
While Gallagher's company is the subject of a criminal investigation, no arrests have been made, and the county attorney says charges will likely not be filed.
Did our job, did it well. I think the Omaha police did their job, did it well. There's just a little disagreement.
Douglas County Attorney Don Klein told me this morning that while they could charge Gallagher's bondsman with false imprisonment, they likely won't file any charges in this case and want to use it as an example to bondsmen across Iowa that if their clients cross the state line into Nebraska, to let Nebraska police officers make the arrest. Reporting live in Council Bluffs, Joe Cadot, KMTV Action 3 News.
Now, your Weather Alert First Forecast.